Thanks. Okay, so we move on to the next one. Okay, we move on. Let me clear this thing. Okay, remember this is paper 2. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to make sure that you are able to score. Trust me, the PSLE is not so tough. Okay, you can score. You can score. You try this one. You don't need to think of an easy way of doing this. Well, Davish, you got an answer. Let's see. This is question number 2. They say your answer is not correct. Maybe you might be right. I do not know. Let me check. But your answer is too small. I'll check again. Okay, I'll check again. Okay. Yeah, your answer is too small. Can use calculator, no problem. You only found the circle, Davish. Hey, Davish, that means you are making careless errors now, Davish. You got to be careful. Thank you. That means you only found a circle. You didn't add the straight sides. Davish, careful, careful. Come on. So don't be overconfident. Okay, now you got it correct, Davish. So careful, means one of your weakness is overconfidence, Davish. Okay, because you know it's easy, it's able to be done, but don't be overconfident. Carissa, something is not correct. Okay, you got to check while I try to see whether I can show the next question.
Very close.
Oh, very far. It's okay. Davish, you try to see whether you can do the next one. Come on, come on. There's easy ways of doing this. In 1 minute's time, I have to just show you because this is group. I can't wait too long. If it's one-to-one, I can wait for you, but too long so I still don't know what's happening. Sometimes the student don't know what they're doing. You can do this. You can do this. Come on. Okay. Zahin, almost there. Still about 20 away from it. So you got to ask her, what did you miss? Okay, here we're going to run through. Can I go through? Wow, Putri is even further away. Okay, here we go. Now, perimeter, you know, is outside. All right, so what do we do? Let's count the number of what? The number of straight sides. Okay, down here you have 1, 2. Cannot, too small. Ilhan, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 straight sides. Still too small, Ilhan. 8 of these, So 1 is 9. So step 1, 8 times 9. I get 72. What is 72? Okay, if you can't see what I'm talking about, 72, all this straight part, the straight part here, 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 the straight part here. So now all you get is all the straight part is 72. Now what do you have? You have the curve part. So let us see how many curve parts do you have. Let me see, someone's entering. Hold on. Okay, I just, okay. So now down here, we look at the curve part. The curve part is actually a quarter of a 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters. Okay, that was 4 quarters. 4 quarters make one circle, you know. Correct or not? This is one circle, and this is a half circle. 1.5 circle. So I need to find what's the formula for circumference pi times d. Pi they say is 3.14. Okay, 3.14 times by diameter. Diameter is 9 here, but plus another 9, 18. Diameter, don't take radius, no. You must have diameter. Can you see like a circle like that? Diameter is 18. Then how many must you time? How many circles? You got one circle here, 4 of them one circle. See why 4 is one circle? Yeah?
Is it 453.51?
No, too big, too big. Okay, let me see. Down here, maybe you times 6, I think. You see down here is 1 quadrant, 2 quadrant, 3 quadrant, 4 quadrant. How many quadrant do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one circle already, no? Then you got 5 and 6. 5 and 6 is another half lah. 5, 6, 1.5. Or I can put 1.5 lah. So when you times this, you will get, how much you get? You will get, I think that's now, see, Darwish show me the answer. Hold on, you will get, let me just look at Darwish's answer. 84.78, right? You get 84.78.
84.17 is
78.
84.17.
Then you add these two together lah. You get 156.78. Or 1.6178 or 1.6 or 1 decimal place. So we make it as 1.8. Who's confused? Who's confused? Let me check. Putri, are you okay? Putri Karisa, okay? No, okay. Akil, are you okay? Confused? Okay, no problem, no problem. Zahin, are you okay or confused? Okay. Okay, so now we go through one more time. We go through one more time, okay? For those who are confused. Okay, no problem, no problem. So now, down here now, we want to find perimeter. Perimeter is on the outside. I want to find a fast way. So there's straight part, which is the length of a square. How many lengths do they have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 length. So how much is one length? One length is 9. What? They give you 9 here? So 8 times 9, 72. I got all the blue color. So far, okay? Now I need to find the curve, the red part. So let us see the red part.
Also,
This,
check if want to find the circumference, right? You do diameter, not the radius.
Not radius, diameter.
Oh,
Pi times d, pi times d. So now down here, let us see when we draw a circle. You see this quarter is here. What? So one circle got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what about the last two? Okay, I draw the last two lah. Last two is half lah. Like that ni. I cut down here. Can see 5 and 6. Can you see now? So this is 5 and 6. So that's why I say you don't find just one circumference. It's 1.5 because this is half of a circle. Can see now, half a circle. So that's why I find pi times d times 1.5. 1.5 means 1.5. If you want to find right 1.5, or you can times by 1 and times by half, add also you can, no problem. Then you plus these two, you get 156.8. Okay, you must be able to do this. Okay, we move on to the next one. Okay, we move on to the next one, but you don't do question 3, please. Question 3, we want you to do question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 3, I'll check with Darwish. Well done. Question number 3 is correct. So we move question number 4. Ilhan, your answer is correct for one part. You're close to it. You still need to continue the steps. You're very close to solving it, Ilhan. You have solved the difficult part already. Now you need to score the goal. Come on. For those who need clues, I will mark it. Number one, they say it's equilateral. This triangle, you know what's the angle here, what's the angle here, what's the angle here. Well done, Putri. Carissa, you've got an answer first. Congratulations. Well done, Akil. Ilhan, score the goal, Ilhan. It's open goal, come on. What about the rest? Come on. What about the rest? Come on. This one is what? Isosceles triangle. So Ilhan has found out down here. Ilhan, you already found this angle down here, which is the same angle here. Ilhan, you already found this the thing. Yes, Ilhan, congratulations. Putri Kasih, what about you, Putri Kasih? Okay, so we're going to go through shortly, yeah? Come on, Zahin, come on, Zahin. This whole thing, you know what? This is, the green part is equilateral triangle. You know, each angle is how much, you know already. You know, you've done this many times. Okay. For those who have completed, just, okay, Darwish, well done. Okay, so we move in. So down here is 90 degrees. Down here, equilateral 60. See how you get 60? 180 divided by 360. You add together is 150. Now remember, now I'm going to draw this triangle now. Big, So you find out down here is 150. Okay, then remember, it is an equilateral triangle. So how do you know? You see this down here and this are the same. And this is square. So this same. So it means these two are the same. These two are the same, means these two angles are the same. So what did Ilhan do? Ilhan take 180 minus 150. You get 30. 30 then divide by 2. Why divide by 2? Because both this add up to 30 and they're equal. Divide by 2, you get 15. Once you get 15, you already can solve already. Why? This part is 15, the red part. This part is also 15, 30. Whole thing is 60 minus 15, 15. You get 30. Okay, let me just check. Putri Jamal, okay. Zahin, okay, Zahin? Zahin, okay, Zahin? Okay, okay, I want you all to be very clear. Otherwise, the tuition is not so helpful, okay? Come on, Putri Jamal, your video, what happened? Okay, we try this one now. Okay, notice this is now getting closer and closer. This is question number 5. You only got 17 questions. Only 17 questions. Let's try question number 5 now. If you're lost, confused, I want you to change this number with something easy for you. Example, I don't know what to do down here. You change it to number 2, what do you do? Then do the same thing. Okay, if you get confused, change the fraction to an easier number. Follow the steps now. What do you do? Do the same thing. Use a calculator. Well done, Putri Karisa. Congratulations, you're getting better and better. Alhamdulillah. Do you feel that, miss? Can you feel? Akil, you got to check Akil. Cannot be. Akil don't understand the question. Now you got one tempayan, Baldi. You know Baldi, yeah? Okay. Oh, sorry. Where is it? Where is it? My bad. Hold on. Let me just try again. Sorry, yeah. Suddenly the Allahu Akbar. Oh, it became so big. What happened? Okay. So, for those of you who don't understand, I'll draw now. Akil, down here inside this is a pail. It's got 10 liters, you know. Now you're going to put jug. Each jug is 9.6. Imagine now. This one, each jug is 2 liters. They ask you how many jugs can fill in. One jug is 2. What do you do? 5, right? You take 10 divided by 2, right? Do the same thing now. But this time, don't divide by 2. Divide by 96. Then you get the number of jugs you need. Okay, we will move on to the sorry. What is okay.
What divide by what?
Then 10 divide by this lah. Just now I make it 2.
Oh.
Okay, so Zahin, the 5 is no longer 2, Zahin. Now it's 96. 96 no longer 2, Zahin. You divide by 9 over 6. 10 liters divide by 9 over 16. Sorry, 9 over 16. Carissa, let me see. No. How much left over? We got to check. We got to be careful. No, cannot be. Okay, very simple. Come on. Just now, okay, you understand what I'm saying. I give the example again. Imagine. Let's say you're going to fill up each jug, 2 liter jug. How many can you fill? 10 divided by 2, I can get 5 lah. Correct or not? So what do I do? Yes, well done, Akil. 10 divided by 2, I get 5 jugs. Why? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I can fill up 10. But now they didn't tell you that each jug is 2 liters. They tell you each jug is 916. So how to do? Do the same thing. That's not what you do. You took 10 divided by 2, correct? Now take 10 divided by 916. Okay? So now we go lah. 10 over 1. And you said you can use your calculator lah. Why don't you use your calculator? You get 17 point something. All right? Times, sorry. Sometimes. Okay, if you're not going to use calculator, okay, never mind. We do this one. What do you get? You will get 160 over 9. So the balance is how much? Okay, hold on. Over 9. Your balance, your whole number is 17 what? 160 divided by 9. 160 divided by 9. 17 times.
17, 7 out of 9.
7 out of 9. Good, 7 out of 9 liters. Okay, good. So now not liters, sorry, bottles, jars. But you cannot have 9 jar. So your first answer is 17 jars. You can fill maximum of 17 jars. The last one is 9 of a jar. It's not a full jar. So you cannot say this is full jar. Say they want completely filled. All right. So that means that means it's 9 of a jar. So are you all okay with 17? All okay, right? So far okay. Now how to find the balance? Very simple. How much water was left over? Why don't you find out 17 jugs? How much is the... This is not 79 liters, Miss Putri. It's 79 of a jar. How many liters is it? You see, one jug is 916 liters. So there's 2 ways of doing this. What are the 2 ways? As you say, 79 of a jar. 79 times 916. That's one way. So you get 716 is correct. Or what do you do? What's the liters? This is liters. Or you take 17 times 916. You get the answer. Then take then you take 10 liters minus the answer. Okay, now I write it down for you. Because I might be going too fast. I'm afraid you might not get it. Okay, so now the second part, don't make the mistake again. I don't think it's 79. One is take 79 times 916, or you take 17 jugs, you times by 916. How much do you get? Okay, you just calculate. 17.
Is my answer correct for the B?
B, 0.77. Okay, just give me a moment. Times 9 divided by 16. No, your answer is not correct. You get in decimal 9.5625. This is the amount of water that is filled up in the jugs. So you must take 10 liters minus this one, which you will get 7 over 16 liters. Or if you want in decimal, you will get 0.4375. So some of you are confused. Say, how come I thought 0.77? Okay, so those who say 0.77 means you are confused between the jar and the liter. 7 divided by 9 is 0.77. This answer we ask you, Akil. Did you find the number of liters or number of jugs? What was the most number of jugs? So now this is 7/9 of a jug. One jug, how much is it? One jug is 9/16, you know. So if you want to find out how much is in the thing, take 7/9 times 9/16, then you get 7/16. That is correct. Or you take 10 liters minus how much you fill up in the 17 jugs. How to find 17 jugs? 17 times 9/16, you get this. Then you minus, you get this. Okay, I hope you're okay. Yeah?
For question B, right, it must be decimal or fraction.
Up to you. They didn't say. They did not say. But if you are going to give decimal, give the full one. Don't need to round off because they didn't tell you to round off. Give the full answer. Unless the numbers have 0.6666666, then you give to the nearest, maybe 1 or 2 decimal place, up to you. But my suggestion, make it accurate. Okay, make it accurate. Okay, here we go. So I'm so glad if you are able to understand this question, that means what? First 5 questions of PSLE paper 2, nothing to you. It's easy. Okay, let's try the next one now. This one special model drawing.
Sure.
Yeah.
Can I go to it?
Go. Go. I give you another question, easy one. Then after that you do this, okay? Okay, yeah. I give you another question again, or you want to solve first? Okay, you try to solve. You cannot, then I give you another question. Davish, are you can, Davish? I not see you. Can do not, Davish? Putri Jamal, are you there, Putri Jamal?
I'm here, yeah.
Yeah. Is something wrong with your video? Or?
No.
On your video lah.
Okay.
The rule for online, once you off your video, others will also off the video. And then in the end, one of the class, second class, I ended up talking to all blank videos. You know how sad it was for me. Okay. All right. Let's try. Wow. Putri has got an answer. I'm not even done yet. This is question number 6. Cannot be the chocolate cake is so cheap. That's the $1. Although where you buy is one very cheap one. Cheap one. Huh? Oh, Zahid, $1 plus, very cheap lah. Maybe you found out the curry puff. Is it the curry puff? So I think you are right. Zahid, you have found the price of the curry puff. Well done. But they ask you to find the cost of the chocolate cake, please. Okay, maybe I just draw lah to show you all how to do. Cake plus 5 curry puff. 1, 2, 3. This is a type of model, but I put 12 curry puff first. 4, 1, 2. You can draw like that if you want to. Oh, sorry, sorry.
It is 7.85.
Who is that? Davish. Congratulations, Davish. Okay, I will buy you a free cake after PSLE lah. After PSLE, if you better take it back. After next time you say, this tutor.
Yeah, my answer was so near the Davish answer.
Oh, but yeah, is that thing now? But you must know how to do the method. You see down here, 1, 2, 3. Yes, Zahid, well done. 4. So all you need to do is very, very simple. This whole thing is 2645. Hold on, this thing came out. You must be able to do this type. Sometimes they have this type of maths. This is actually for your information, secondary 2 mathematics. Why are they giving at primary 6? That's why our system sometimes gone siao already. Okay, so I take top minus bottom. Cake minus cake. No more cake. 12 stars, 12 curry puff minus 5 curry puff. How many curry puff left? 12 minus 5? 7. 7 curry puff. 2645 minus 1560. Minus 1560. What do you get? You get 1085. So, Putri, Karisa, you got 1085, the price of 7 curry puff. You must find 1 curry puff. 1 curry puff, you divide by 7, you get 155. But that's not the end. So this is where you stop first. Zahin does not stop down here. You still got one more step. You must take, you can times this by 5 and then take 1560 minus the curry puff, you get the cake. Or you want to take times this by 12. 1 curry puff times 12, take 2645 minus the 12 curry puff, you get the cake. We take easier one, 5 curry puff. 5 curry puff, sorry. Yeah, curry puff didn't work there. 5 curry puff, 155 times 5. 775. 785. 775, right? Oh, 785, yeah, correct. It's your cake, the thing. Now then take 1560. Well done, Zahid. Minus 775. What do you get? 785, which is the final answer. Quite easy, but the question just complicated. Yes. Unfortunately, Singapore maths like that. So this is actually Sec 2 maths. You know what is this? I show you. This is actually Sec 2. X plus, I just show you so that you know, just is for your knowledge, okay? And remember, alamak, they give me when you go Sec 2, remember, X plus 12y equals to 2645. That's what this is. And then this one, X plus 5y equals to 1560. Find what is X, find what is Y. That's what they are doing actually. This is Sec 2 mathematics called simultaneous equation. Okay, so but anyway, you draw the model lah. So I hope you understand this model. We move on. So and again, number 6, you're okay. Move on to the next one now. Use all digits to form the number in. Okay. Okay. Well done, Zahin. You got it first. Putri, you got the first one. Putri Karisa, you got the first one correct. Some are confused. What is this question talking about? You confuse, you change this to minutes, change this to minutes. Then you'll be able to see. 4 times 60, 240 minutes. Which number can you make? Yes, well done, Putri Karisa.
236. 236.
236, So 236 is closest to this, yeah. Then 5 hours, 5 times 60 is 5 times 60. 5 times 60 is 300, right? So which one is closest? They didn't say smaller. This one is smaller. This one is closest. Closest can be bigger. 326. So just be careful. So what sort of questions are these? It's just thinking questions. They're just so you must believe in yourself. Now I'm just going to show you very quickly. Did I show you about Alexander Poly? Did I show you Alexander Poly? Yeah, Usain Bolt is a person, he believes in himself, but it's a sad story. Okay, let me just show you very, very quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know the water polo, that one.
Water polo, yes.
The China is winning.
Oh, aduh, kasihan ah. Okay, now this one he did the Batman cave. See, what is this? You see, he believes himself so much that he can actually succeed in doing the impossible. Here we go.
I'm just looking at that hole right over there.
You can see the hole or not? You can see this hole down here. He wants to fly inside there. No? This is called wingsuit. That means he's not using. Later you see what he does.
Right over there.
This is called a wingsuit. Wingsuit. So just jump and go inside there to go through this hole. Possible or not?
An obvious choice. Point of entry is that one. Come out this side. Yeah!
Yeah, man.
So he testing this. First test jump. It's very fast, you know. Very,
This is my
very fast.
entry gate. This is what I'm looking at.
Okay, they are going to do a second test jump. Just jump off the mountain, you know. Okay, now the final one. Will he succeed? Imagine yourself jumping this.
Nice. Perfecto.
Goes up a helicopter first. My question, you jump off here, how to see that small triangle? You see, can you spot it? In fact, when we jump, we feel confused, dizzy. Can you see it? I cannot see it. Okay, I think it's here. Imagine when you're falling, you're dizzy. For us, we might panic, right? So let us see. This is free fall, you know. It's gliding. Wow. You see the human being, very, very powerful. You believe anything you can achieve, but Alexander Poli died. Not in this jump. You see, you know how they stop now? If they fly after the cave, what happened? They have to open up the parachute. So in one of his jumps, I think not long after 2013, he crashed into a tree and died. Why? If I'm not mistaken, the parachute didn't open. So in this case, you're doing mathematics. You believe in yourself, you're not going to die. For him, of course, jumping off crazy thing, he can die. Okay, but anyway, that's the end of our story. Don't cry, okay? Putri Kasih, don't cry. Please, control your tears. Okay, let's try this one. Question number 8. We have already done 7, is it? 7 we have done. Notice you have done first 7 questions of paper 2. Congratulations. Now we are going to question number 8. Tarts, kuih tart. Putri Karisa, you help your mom make kuih tart, right? Jadi you make kuih tart, is it?
My mom and my grandmother became creative, but I never helped them.
Oh, okay. Do they sell kuih tart? Yes. Wow.
Can I go to the toilet?
Go, please. Go. Please. You have to draw the model. You don't draw, it's going to be difficult. see. Anyone send? I myself, I'm doing this. So don't think that I'm looking answer key. I myself, I'm doing. And sometimes when I do, I myself get stuck. Okay. So I want you to know that, and I want you to know even adults were to do this same thing. So don't give up. Your belief got to be there. Yeah, believe like Alexander Poly lah. But don't be overconfident. Okay, let's see whether I'm right. Still number. Let me see where they are. Ya Allah. Salah number.
Where is calculator?
Yes, this is paper 2. Please do. Please use calculator. Okay. All right. I'm correct, but I made a careless mistake. What careless mistake? I go in, type the wrong number inside the calculator. Shame on me. Your model drawing skill. Your model drawing. Okay, I will show you how to draw in a moment, but can you just try first? You can also do by ratio lah. So sorry, Miss Putri. Putri, if let's say we say this is like half, about half of it. It's not. We try. We got to draw the model. Believe in yourself. The human being can do many things. I showed you the other day, right, how they train fleas. Did I show you how they train fleas? No. Kutu, no. I didn't show you how people train kutu and form a circus. I did not. Human being can do so many things. You can do this. Okay, 1 minute's time I will draw. It's too long. It's now. Let's see. Davish, how you? Davish is here now. Davish, can do that, Davish? Can draw, Davish? No answer. Are you okay? Okay, here we go. I draw. Okay. Now we read slowly. Okay, when I get to problem sums, I have to read slowly to really understand. There's 425 tarts altogether. Okay, and cupcakes, 2 things. And then he sold equal number of both. So equal number means what? I can draw sold down here. This is equal for what? For tarts, equal for cupcakes. Do you agree so far? All agree, eh? Simple, right? Because the equal number, what? Now, after selling the tarts, he got 1/3 left. Means this one is how many third? If he got left 1/3, how many third did he sell? Carissa, you know not? 1/3 left. How many third did he sell? 2/3. Good, Zain. 2/3. So I make it 2 lah. 1, 2. I draw 1 more. You get it or not? You see? Okay, so down here now. Okay, so same thing. I shade this. Why I shade? I want you to know this is soul. So Zahin now, since you got the first one, if he's got left 1/4, how many quarter did he sell?
3.
3, right? So we draw 1. We cut it into 3 lah. The problem now is down here 3, and then down here is 1 more. The problem is what? The problem size not the same. 3, 2. Why don't we make it the same? Can we make it the same?
12.
Yes. We can make it 6 lah. 6. So 12. You're right. So I cut this 2 into 3 parts. This one I make it 6 here. See? This one I make it 6 here. Can you see now? All just nice now. The one with the 3 units, each one I cut into 3. Why? Because when I cut to 3 here, I get 6. So I cut 2, 2, 2, I get 6 or so. So just nice. So this one I must also cut into 2. So all together for cupcakes, there's Putra Jama got to try. Close. 8 units all together. All together, how many you get? 3, 3, 3, 9 units. All together, 9 plus 8, 17 units is 4 to 5. You find 1 unit, you get your answer lah. 1 unit, 4 to 5 divided by 17. Okay, no? 25.
25.
Fine. So now what is it you want to find? How many tarts and cupcakes are left? This one is all sold, right? Sold. So down here, how many left? Down here got 2 lah. Down here got 3. All together you want 5 units sahaja. All right. So 5 times 25 is
125.
125. If you can do this, that means you understand this. So how to master this? You got to practice more test paper. Okay, then if you do not know what to do, how to do, you can always message me. Send me the question. I'll try to solve, but I don't promise because depending on the day. Sometimes I tuition all the way, I can't. Okay, we do the next one. Huh? Okay, we try this one. Huh? Okay, you got to draw a model and with ratio. That's my suggestion. Okay, not too tough. You don't need to find out how many books are sold. You just draw the model correctly and you'll get the ratio. Sorry, Zahin. Try again. I'm going to show you how to draw shortly. Okay, sorry if I need to mute myself. My neighbor is mentally unstable. He's shouting and shouting and shouting. Can you hear him? Can you hear the voice? Okay, never mind. I'll leave it on. You can hear.
Yeah, I can hear, I can hear.
So sometimes in the middle of the night, he's shouting, screaming, shouting, screaming. And then sometimes the police come over. But what can you do? Then he'll be very quiet.
Then how you sleep, child?
I can sleep anywhere. Only thing, sometimes he wash metal things at night. But for crazy people, what do? You can't do anything. My father was mentally ill. So I saw this, I saw firsthand. Maybe kasihan lah. Kasihan people like that. How come it can happen? Next time we go to it. Okay, I'm going to show you how to draw very quickly. Yeah. So we draw now. He had some books. He sold some books on Saturday. So what is a some book? I do not know what the some books are. I just draw like that. And then after that, got remainder. So remainder, I use another color lah, for you to be able to see. But this one is sold on Saturday. This one is Saturday, yeah. You all can concentrate. You can hear the background. Okay. So down here now, remainder, you must divide 4 parts because aduh, kesiannya. You know what happened to this guy? The family then arranged for him to marry a lady, from Indonesia. The lady didn't know that he was mad, So can you imagine what happened? But they are still together. I'm just very shocked. Anyway, this is now the remainder. So he sold 1/4 of Sunday. 1/4 is here on Sunday. This is Sunday, right? 1/4. Sunday. Then they say, be careful now. This is the number of books sold is from here to here, Zahid. Is 8 units. Number from the other one, I'm going to use another color. From the blue color down here is 5 units. Hey, we have a problem now. Down here only got 3. How to make it? So we make it 15 lah. 5 times 3, we imagine that we times the 5 to make it 15. We cut this into 5 units, 5 units, 5 units. Okay? So if this is 5 units, this is 5 units, this is 5 units, you get 15 units. This one also 5 units lah. Okay now? Are you okay now? So what did we do down here, this 5? This 5 now, we times by 3, correct? So 8 must times what? By 3 also lah. You get 24. So this part now down here, from here to here, is 24. You get it now? Okay. So down here to here is 24. Are you confused? This one down here is 15. Confused? Anyone confused not? Say, how come 15, 24? Are you okay now first? Can see not? Or the drawing not so clear? Down here. You see there's now, if you can see this, then very simple already. This is 5, this is 24. This must be what? 24 minus 5 get 19. So you want to know ratio of Saturday to Sunday? 19 to 5. Finish. Alamak. Okay, the gila really gone crazy,
What is he shouting about?
I do not know. I do not know. Sorry. Okay. I do not know. But can you imagine in the middle of the night, in the afternoon, sometimes, yeah. But normally, but he's not.
That happened before last time. Downstairs at the bawah block, got this drunk guy go shout. Like, and then he go threaten this old uncle to fight him.
Oh, you drunk people, they don't know. Have I shown you all my drunk video? You want to see that? Do you want to see it? Okay, later I'll show you. But it's acting je lah. Okay. All right, here we go. So we come back to this, We come back step by step again, okay? This is now sold on Saturday. How many we don't know, but we put Saturday here, as he said. And then balance, there's another balance here. We do not know how much, but we know 1/4 of it was for Sunday. So 1/4 is Sunday down here. So this one is Sunday. Okay, then they tell you from here to here, is how many? 9, sorry, 8. 8, right? And from here to here is 5. So the problem is there's only 3, this one's 5. So I must make it the same, 15. Do you get it? So 15, how do I make 15 down here? I times this by 3. I times this one by 3 also lah. So from here to here now is 24. But the unit down here, how to make it 15 parts? Where there's 3 parts here, I must times this by 5. So when I times this by 5, I get 15. So each one of it is 5 units, 5 units, 5 units, 5 units. Okay, I write the last 5 carefully. Yeah, this is 5 units. But the 24 from here to here is includes the Sunday, you know. So this is 24. Why 24? 8 times 3, 24. 24 minus 5 get 19. So the ratio on Saturday is 19. The ratio on Sunday is 5. Balance is 15. How? Are we okay? Difficult? Okay, you all are tired already. So, okay, because once you are tired, I have to move to paper 1. Okay, this is question number 9. If we can do on the question 10, it will be very good lah. You're not, but now I can see Putri Karisa's head is sengat already. Let's see, Zahin cannot tahan. Okay. So I tell you what, we move to paper 1, Move to paper 1. Okay, this to help you. You want to see the mabuk video? Really? Want to see? But don't record, please. One my student. I was just showing this really just to make them feel happy lah. But maybe I will. Never mind, better not. Okay. Never mind. No. Sorry. After your parents see this, say, what is your tutor doing? Say, my tutor is just like his neighbor. His neighbor crack. Tutor pun crack. Aduh. Okay. So again, now we go speed round. Okay, here we go. Question 1 and 2 at one go, please. Okay, you send your answers over. Wow, so fast. Who's that? Very fast. Oh, Zahin. Oh, very fast, Zahin. Congratulations, Zahin. 2 points for you. Okay, well done, Akil. Number 2. Akil, that's number 1. It's in just a moment. Okay, well done, Akil. 2 points for you. Davish, well done for number 1. Putri Karisa, well done. Davish, well done for number 2. Putri Karisa, what about you? Okay, so 802,000. 802,000. I just write it down. 802,000 for those of you who have not given answer. 802,000. Like that, 1,000 is like that. But you don't need to write the last one. And 7. So you put a 7 here. 802,007. Okay. So question number 2, Putri Karisa also, well done. So this one is 5 kg. 5,000, 5 kg. 5 kg and 4 gram. Okay, if you got it right, congratulations. We are now going to move on. So every lesson I start with paper 2. You know why? Once you get tired, we do the easy one. If we do the easy one, then after one do the difficult one, you say, I'm tired already. So we do, when you're fresh, we do the thing. Okay, question number 3 and 4. Congratulations, Zahin. Putri Jamal got to check. Putri Jamal, don't be tricked. You can always add a 0 at the back and make it the same number of digits after the. Yeah, you can do it like that. Then easier to compare. Because for decimal, you can add 0 after the decimal place, right? Well done, Putri Karisa, Putri Dawish, Putri Jamal. Akil, how much is yours? Akil cannot be lah. Smallest, no. This one smallest, 8,207. Okay, the next one. Oh, you are giving the answer for the next one. Sorry. I thought you giving answer for question number. Okay, Dawish, correct. Reduce to lowest term first. Clue. Reduce to lowest term first. No using calculator. You know using calculator. Putri Karisa, correct? Akil? Yeah, okay, Akil. Good. Zahin, got to check Zahin. You said you reduce, you get what? 3 out of 4, you know? If 2 out of 3, you divide by 5, you get 2 out of 3. Son, you reduce, you get 2 out of 3. 3, you get 3 out of 5. Come on. You cuba-cuba lah, lucky dip. Don't lucky draw lah, now okay lah, now 3, divide by 3, 3 out of 4. Okay, so this one 3 out of 4. So, okay, be careful. These are giveaway marks. Don't throw it away. It's not charitable to do that. Oh, yeah. Why is this? Every time I touch it, it will become big. Well done, Zahin. You will not trick. Well done, Putri Karisa. What about Darwish? Who? Akil, you have been tricked. You have been tricked, Akil. Pi times D, Akil, not pi times R. Don't come on your own formula. Come on. Yes, then correct. Yes, correct. Well done. Darwish, what about you, Darwish? Cannot, Darwish. Darwish sleepy already, Darwish. Come on, Darwish. Okay, now the next one. Let me see. I'm not done the next one. According to answer key, is not correct, Mr. Okay, Darwish, yes, correct. Zahin, number 6. Answer key says it's not correct. Let us see. Do you want you to find an area? No? You say the answer is what? Okay, Darwish answer for number 4. Putri number 4 is correct. Zahin, sorry, Putri number 6 is correct. Zahin number 6 is not correct still. Akil guessing already, too tired already, wrong also. Come on. Hey, this one very simple. Darwish, do you give your answer already? Yes. Come on, this is a square. Come on. Hey, Zahin, your standard is higher than this, Zahin. 8 times 8, 64. This one is 8, no, half times base times height. 8 times 10 divided by 2, 40. Add the 2 together, you get 104. Lor. Simple. 10 times 8 divided by 2, half times base times height. Okay. Okay, I hope you're okay. Putri Jamal, not true. This one formula is pi times D, not pi times R. So it's 10 times what's diameter? 6.28. So you times together, you get 62.8. Okay, we move on. Now here, which letter is not symmetrical? Let us see. Next week, I'm going to go through half topical, half paper 2. That means I will pick and choose one topic, most probably angles. Then we go through detail. As many of the prelim questions on angles, I will go through. Okay? All right? And then maybe after that thing, I'll send you the soft copy. Then you can print out and practice. Wow. Zahin and Putri Karisa, well done. Congratulations.
Che, what you're drinking, Che?
This is my son, Levit. Well done, Mr. Akil. This is a korma fresh farm. I don't know what it is. Susu korma. Susu berperi rasa korma. I didn't buy this. My son bought it and he left it and he says, Abba, you can have it. And I told him, yippee. Well done. Question 7, correct, Akil?
My mother drink it.
Your mother drink it. Is it good?
I also like it.
Like it, huh? The taste is nice. But I'm just thinking maybe just should eat korma and drink milk separately. It might be cheaper. But anyway. All right, question number 8. You must not be tricked by some of the like drinks and all that because it contains a lot of sugar, like your Cocoa Crunch and all that. You see, healthy meal. You know, the amount of sugar is a lot, you know. I wrote one book on about it. There's called it Med Inspector's Ultimate Science Guide. I will show you one of the pages later on next time, and then you can have a look at it. The amount of sugar in Milo is half the powder. Do you know that? Your sugar, Milo powder, then we add sugar, we add condensed milk, and all. Then we ask, how come? Oh, very sweet, very nice. Okay, very sweet. Well done, Putri Karisa. Putri Jamal, congratulations for question number 7. Your answer is correct. But you have another same answer. Is that a question for number 8? I do not know. Zahin for question number 8. Well done. Darwish, if the answer is for number first one, number 7 is correct. Zahin, not correct. Try. Zahin dah penat lah, Zahin. Tired already lah, Zahin. Yes, Zahin. Tired already lah. How do I know when people are tired? Normally, they become senget. You know senget? Yeah. But if they are fresh and senget, that is a body language sign. Well, Mr. Akil says that. Unfortunately, Akil, that is also not correct. Okay, here we go through one by one. This one is symmetrical because you can cut it like that. You can cut this like this. You can cut it like that also. This one, you can cut this like this. This one, you cannot cut it. So only N is not symmetrical. Down here, you put the value M inside here. So 2 times M, 2 times 3, you get 6 lah, plus 3 minus 1, 2 over 10. Over 10, huh? Oh, ya Allah, why this happen? So what do you get? You get 6 and 210, which is equals to 6.2. Okay? Okay, now I hope you all are right. Again, this is, you find is relatively easy. Last time you may find it hard, but now I can see that you find it's quite easy, right? Okay, we try now the next one now. 9 and 10. Remember, once you reach after 10, normally the question will be more difficult. So if you find you're taking too long a time, move on to paper section B. And then return to do it later lah. Before Putri asked me, this is actually sweet potato.
I love sweet potato, Che.
Oh, wow. But that's just big, no? Zahin, congratulations. Darwish, congratulations. Darwish, I do not know. Is that for number 8 or if you put the question number, I'll know. Putri Karisa, well done for question number 9. Okay, question number 9, correct, Darwish, well done. Akil? We need to do an experiment. Maybe for some of you don't understand this question. In fact, I did this experiment for a Sec 2 girl just last week to explain this question. But at secondary school, it's the same question, but they can't get it. Okay, Darwish, you got the next one. So that's for number 10, is it, Darwish? If it's for number 10, it's not correct, according to the answer key. Zahin, your answer is correct. Congratulations. As tired as you are, your mind is processing well. And this is without fighting with your cousin, no? Can you imagine? Fighting also you can do. Allahu Akbar. Darwish, well done. Okay, Akil can do not question 9. Okay, Akil says, okay, so now we're going to do this. Now there is a formula. I think we don't have the time for the experiment, but if you don't get it, you tell me in the next lesson, I may have to do the experiment. It's Mr. Tan. You need to find the total of the two numbers. Total of two numbers, 38 times 2. How do you get total? Average times number. So you will get 76. Okay, 76. So I draw like this is one number. This one another number lah. When you add together, I draw like that. You get 76. Because that's a total, right? Then you have another one now. Average is 40 for 3 numbers. So take 40 times 3, you can get total. So how I get total? Average is 40. Number of numbers is 3. 40 times 3, I get 120. So now, what does it mean? Okay, 120. So, Akil, you must see this. This is the first number. This is the second number. And this, Akil, is the third number. Okay, just hold on. 120. Akil, you tell me what to do now. If this one is 120, yes, well done, Karisa. This one is 76, what to do? To find O, the third number. This is third number. This is third number. This is second number. This first number. How to find the third number? You minus, right? Take this one, minus 76, you get the third number. Because when you minus, you cancel off first number. You cancel off second number. You are left with third number. What? Then 120 minus 76, you get 44. Okay, I hope okay. Okay, for question number 10, the answer is, let's see. Answer is number 2. All I can get. Tired already, everyone. Maybe I will show my mabuk, the thing that tak mabuk. You probably get shocked. I wonder what will Putri Karisa and Putri Jamal will say. Putri Jamal, where are you? You have disappeared over and over. Come. This one's 55. EAF, you want to get EAF. Okay, let's see what else. FCB is 75. Okay. This one is also 55 lah. Am I correct? See how? Can you see this? This is parallel, no? This one is parallel to this. So watch this. Zing, zing, zing. This is 55. So angles in a triangle, 180 minus 75 minus 55 equals to here. So you minus is get 50, right? Okay, now because you want to find here, you already got 75, you got 55, you can find. Those of you who do not know how you get 55, please look carefully. Down here, this is a Z. And so these two angles are the same. Every time you have one parallel line, another parallel line, okay, down here, these two, they are equal. Okay, let's see. Alamak, Darwish okay not? Darwish tired lah. Where are the three students now? Okay lah, I show you. I want to show you. I show you the very quickly. I show you the what I told you about the flea circus. So here we go. This is the flea circus. Don't be shocked. No, human beings, we can train all sorts of stuff. You can. There are people who create a flea circus. Flea is kutu, kutu. So this, you know who is David Attenborough, right? He does a documentary. I've not seen this one yet, but we can try. Is there a sound first? Hold on. Let me see. Is there sound? Okay, there is. Okay, sorry. That's it. We'll stop here and then we'll continue. We try like 12 more minutes and see how much we can do in the last 12 minutes. But you all have been very good actually. Many of my classes, some of them cannot concentrate. You know. Can you all hear some sound? Hold on.
I only can concentrate if I inside the center.
Sorry?
The teacher center.
Sorry, what you say? You can concentrate better. Yeah, because that's face to face. That's face to face. That's face to face. Okay, I'm going to skip the few of them. I'm going to go to the easier one. Why? Because, yeah, it is. Okay, we do question 16 first. Again, this one you cannot use calculator. You can do mentally if you want to. Okay, I'll do mentally. Okay, I got it right. Let's see. Well done, Zahin. You did mentally also, Zahin. Really? Oh, okay, Darwish correct. Okay, the rest you'll be able to do. If you cannot do mentally, it's okay. You can do mentally, alhamdulillah. Okay, this one, I hope you know how to measure. Now we try this one. Yeah, you know this thing about online, that thing. Yeah, you know, sometimes it might not be too effective. It really depends a lot on you. Can you focus? Can you that thing? So you got to hype yourself up. But you all are better than the Sec 1 class. I'm a little bit disappointed with Sec 1 class. All right, anyone?
Am I correct?
Hold on, let me check. I was searching for it. Zahin, correct. Putri Garissa, correct. Putri Jamal, you got to add the $10 here. So you got to add all the value. Darwish, correct. Akil, what about you? Down here is $8. Putri Jamal, correct. 5 times 5, $25. And this one's $10. So add all of them at 10 plus 25, 35. 35 plus 8, $43.
So when you want to show us the video that you draw?
You want to watch? Okay, we ask Zahin.
Yeah.
Zahin want to watch? You sure? Okay lah. Darwish, okay, we ask Darwish. Darwish is more serious. Darwish, you want to watch drunk? Yes or no? Yes. Aduh, why you want to watch people who are drunk? Okay. Anyway, let me find. Hold on. You sure? Maybe you might have. Okay, remember, I was in the what? I was in the film industry, so I was practicing different kinds of acting. So sometimes when I see actors in Korean dramas, I find they're so unreal, They're so unreal. So now I'm gonna try to find this one. But I do not know where it is. Hold on. Let me see. Where is it? I don't know where is it. Hold on. I'm trying to download it, but let me see. It's still downloading. So we do something else first, can? Okay, it's still downloading. You try the next one. Okay, question 20. And then you see, but don't be shocked lah. Don't be shocked. How come you cannot download? Oh, very fast. Who is this? It's question number 9. 20. Just a moment. Question 20. Let me check your answer. Zahin. Okay, you cannot see everyone. Okay, Zahin, no, that's not the correct answer. Try again. Haven't shared screen yet. I haven't shared screen. Oh, can I see the screen? Sorry. I thought you can see the screen. Okay. Can you see the screen now? Oh, someone say can see, right? Can. Okay, good. Okay. Let me just see whether get it.
Sure.
Hmm.
The how many is being spelled wrongly, Che? How many?
How man, what to do? Yeah. Okay, let's see. The message is coming in for me. What does same rate refer to? The machine takes 5 minutes to make 3 boxes. So let's say each machine have a certain speed. That's the same rate. With 2 such machines at working at the same speed, how many minutes they needed to make 90 boxes? Okay, I got finally what okay, I'll show you the video first. Can? What's wrong, my answer? Okay, I will show. Okay, this is acting. This is not real. Okay, please. Okay, I do not want you to think, Mami Abah, tutor saya ni mabuk. Okay, this is me. Okay, again, I was in Cambodia. I was making. Okay, can you hear that? Are you ready? Beer. Hey, look, hey, beer. Ini bukan beer, ini jamu. Hei! Tui! Ini bukan beer lah, aku mau beer lah. Aku mau beer.
Transformatif.
Well, and that's the end of the show. Okay. Do you feel I was a real
So what are you drinking, Che?
That was jamu lah. My wife gave me jamu. So I didn't like the jamu, so I pretended it was beer lah. But anyway. Okay, so we come to this. 1 more minute and I'll show you how to do this. 30 minutes. Okay, we let's try. Let's try. We go one by one. Now, so far none got none. No one. Davish also no, not correct. So let us go. This is called rate. Okay. So now one machine, 5 minutes can make 3 boxes. So if let's say is 2 machines, must be 6 boxes. Do you agree now first? This is for 2 machines. Do you agree? One machine make 3 boxes. 2 machines can make 6 boxes in 5 minutes. True or not? Are you understand what I'm saying? This is for one machine, 5 minutes. So let's say now in 5 minutes, this one machine make 3 boxes. This another machine make 3 boxes. Means in 5 minutes, the 2 machine can make 6 boxes. Cannot. Some of you are like, okay. So now you want to make it to 90. How many? 90 boxes. Times what? Say, I don't know now. Divide by 90 divided by 6. I think you get 15, I think. So you times by 15, you will get the answer 75. Are you okay or not? Now, do you get it or don't get it? You're too tired already. Okay, down here. So again, I repeat. One machine takes 5 minutes, three boxes. So this one machine, we let it be for 5 minutes, finish 3 boxes. The other machine also finish 3 boxes. So in 5 minutes, they can finish 6 boxes. So how many boxes? You are 90 boxes. So you times by 15. You times by 15 get 75. Okay, we move on. Dah penat Aduh, dah penat. But it's okay. Okay, every time you're tired, you push yourself. You are going to get better and better. After a while, it's not going to be too tough. Now maybe you say very tough. After a while, inshallah, you find it's quite easy. You might be able to concentrate better and better. So for your info, I wanted to do a few roles, but I'm not allowed to become an actor anymore. So there goes my childhood dream. But I'm no longer a child, so it doesn't matter to me. Let us see now. Question number A. Congratulations to Mr. Zahin and Dawish. And question B. Question A also Miss Putri Karisa. Question B, Zahin, they say is not correct. Do you do the times first in the bracket? You must do the times. Don't go in plus, no. You must times first.
15.
15 for the first one, correct? Okay, so you do 8 times 3, 8 times 4, 32, 32 divided by 2, 16, 16 minus 1, 15. Okay. This one now, which one do you do first? Come on. Don't tell answer yet. Don't tell answer. Okay, we are the rest I'm not. But those who give the answer, okay, Putri Karisa, congratulations. Okay, Mr. Akil, you make the same mistake as Zahin. I think you go in times first. You go in plus first. Don't plus first. You go in, remember you 15 for the first one. Second one is 9, yes. You must times first. 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 20 minus 11. But you go in plus times 2, you get 14. So don't do that. Okay, I will not cause you to be further agony. See, Akira has to stand already. Okay, well done. You did quite well. Okay, we did quite a number, right? Quite a number of paper 2 questions. Next week we'll try again, but we'll go into angles. So you be on time because the first half of the lesson we're going to do paper 2. And paper 2, you know, it's not easy. Many adults cannot do paper 2 question. What more these people for other primary 6 students for other countries they cannot do. So you'll push yourself, inshallah. We'll catch up again next week, okay? Assalamualaikum. Don't get drunk, huh? Don't get drunk.